Subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.
Hey guys! Say hi!
Hi.
So guess what we're making today?
You're making a slime.
Yay! We're making slime! So I bought this a while ago actually. We've made it before. If you follow me on Instagram, I did post it. We did get this at Walmart. And I believe that was the first time I recorded when she said shit on live. So, do you remember how to make the slime?
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, look, we need activator. Oh, say activator. So special, baby. When we need more glue.
Ooh, blue.
Ooh. Then we need some paint.
A paint.
Yeah. And then more glue.
Yeah.
And then the prettiest glue. Wow.
Wow.
Okay. And then we also need water, a bowl, and a spoon. Okay. So I honestly know it's super easy to make, but I don't remember making it. So I will use the instructions.
Open.
We're gonna do this later, okay, baby girl?
Ma.
First, we're gonna need some glue. So we already started in our bowl because Sariah was thirsty.
Yeah.
So I need you to squeeze, 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 squeeze. Go ahead. Squeeze all the glue. So I'm gonna move these out of the way because we're not gonna use them. Go, baby. Squeeze. She's literally been asking to make slime for the longest.
Yeah.
Okay, so mommy, wait, not water yet. She already knows. She already ahead of the game. Sirs, let's add more glue. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, so we're gonna make only a smaller bit. Wait, girl, down. Okay, so now it says mix 3/4 cup of water into measuring cup. Uh-oh. That's the baby.
Yeah.
Okay, slowly pour water into the bowl with the glue in small increments to stir until blend.
Look.
Whoa, okay, so we're gonna mix it, okay? So you're gonna mix it. Like that, good job. Uh-oh. I'm trying to record this video and now Amira.
There's tape.
Okay. Keep mixing.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That's into water.
More water?
Yeah.
No, you want to add more water? Only a little bit. Okay, there. Now it's...
Mix it.
Yeah. So it says we're supposed to make a whole thing, a whole bottle of the glue. But I'm not going to do that because truthfully she's going to get it everywhere.
Yeah, you mix.
Whoa. Okay, can mommy help you mix?
Okay.
I'm going to help you mix.
Right.
Mm.
This.
Okay, so now that I've mixed it up a little bit more,
Now it's this.
now it says to add 1 teaspoon of slime activator.
Yeah, activator.
So because we didn't do the whole thing, we're only gonna add a few drops. No, not yet. All right, now mix. Wow!
You see that?
Oh no, be careful. No, my camera's dying already. Oh, so many things. Okay, so we are back in action. Camera was dying. So, Sariah already made somewhat of a mess here.
Look! They're recording.
Yeah, but we're not ready for this part yet. You gotta have more activated.
Alright.
Okay.
Come here, coffee. It's okay, it's okay, rush. Look.
It's okay. Wait, mommy.
Where's this one?
Over there.
Oh, over there? Where is it? Where is it? Where's it go?
I don't know.
Aha! This is annoying, isn't it? This can. Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, no. Wow.
Baby.
Hold on, let mommy do this part. Oh, I think mommy added a bit too much activate. Okay. Here. So we're gonna pull it like this.
Like this?
Yeah. Whoa. Keep pulling it. Whoa. You like making slime?
Yes!
Yeah.
Whee!
So I guess this would just be like a little video of me and Sariah making slime.
Yay!
So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, share, and if you want to keep watching our videos, then subscribe to our channel. We're coming back. Come back with some ideas, some things to do. All right. Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Yes, bye.
Bye.